gentlemen, please welcome to Abaran Jewelers, showing support to Emeralds for Elephants, the initiative in an exclusive way. Emeralds for Elephants is exquisite emerald jewelry collection dedicated to creating awareness for the critically endangered Asian elephant. And with the aim of creating awareness and raising crucial funds for the conservation of elephants, Abaran Jewelers is organizing a 3-day exhibition on Emeralds for Elephants, which starts today. Exquisite emerald and diamond-studded jewelry designed by Abaran to spread the message for preservation of one of the mightiest animals on earth, elephant. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Pratap Kamath, CEO, Abaran Jewelers.
A very good afternoon. A very warm welcome to all friends from the media. It is with deep pride that I stand before you to present Abaran's small contribution towards an elephantine initiative. As many of you are aware, due to the expansion of India's farmlands and cities, the Asian elephant is experiencing large-scale habitat fragmentation and loss. India is home to 60% of the world's Asian elephant population, making their survival in India critical to the survival of the whole species. Emeralds for Elephants is an initiative of Gemfields, an ethical colored gemstones mining company, and the UK-based conservation charity, the World Land Trust, together with Jaguar Land Rover and the Gemological Institute of America, that's GIA India, to raise crucial funds for the elephant conservation activities of the Wildlife Trust of India. India's top 10 jewelry designers were handpicked to create a unique pop-up collection of bespoke Zambian emerald jewelry to spread awareness about the initiative and raise funds. With great pride, I'd like to share with you that from Karnataka, Abaran Jewelers is the only one bestowed with this noble responsibility. All 10 pieces which are displayed here will be auctioned by Sotheby's on the 14th of October at the Taj Mahal Hotel in Mumbai, with a percentage of the profits from each piece going towards the World Land Trust's Indian Elephant Corridor project. As a design-oriented jewelry house crafting some of the finest masterpieces for decades, we at Abaran have a deep commitment to the protection and conservation of the environment. This can be witnessed even in our in-house processes, which are also highly environment friendly. Here I'd like to share with you that we are one of the first jewelers to be following laser soldering for soldering jewelry. So this we've been doing for the past 12 years, whereas several others have just started very recently. Right from the time Abaran was established in 1935, we have been synonymous with timeless jewelry. Today, our flagship store in Bangalore is the epitome of exclusive design and heartfelt customer care. Dedicated floors and sections feature different kinds of jewelry, while our great Kohinoor room, which is right here, is designed for clients who would like a bespoke service. We have our own design studio where you can create and customize your own jewelry with the help of some of the best craftsmen in the industry. Our humble contribution to the Emeralds for Elephants project is a design inspired by the elephant, Lord Ganesha, which consists of an exquisitely designed pendant and a chandelier earpiece to match. A work of art that combines the elephant's magical powers and the shine of high-quality emeralds and diamonds. These pieces are sure to bring the wearer not only luck, but a lot of compliments too, apart from the satisfaction of having played a role in the conservation of the majestic Asiatic elephants. Let's all join hands and make this jumbo event a huge success. Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Sandeep Tiwari, Head of Wildlands Division of WTI. He's an expert on Indian wildlife and natural history, and we're very pleased to have him as the guest of honor on the event of Emeralds for Elephants. According to him, every industry, for example, corporate, IT, education, or lifestyle sector must come up with unique ideas to promote endangered species like elephants. Dr. Sandeep Tiwari, Head, Wildlands Division of WTI.
Thank you. Good evening. It's great feeling to be here among the fashion world, the film world, the industry, all coming together, joining hands to serve this important cause. Fortunately, the country is blessed with large forest cover. As Pratap said, 60% of Asian elephant population, more than half the world tiger population, 80% of the tiger population, you name. The forest type, the ecological conditions is available in the country. But the country is also blessed with 1.2 billion of us. And hence, the habitat the land is a major crunch in the country, and to feed to the people, to meet the ecological the need of the people, the lands are getting sunk, getting fragmented, and one of the important outcome of all this has been the increased conflict with the human and the wildlife. And you have seen in Mysore a month back how dolphins have come in. And we thought, in a present scenario, what we can do? I mean, the lands, what happens in lost is lost, but whatever is existing, how do we protect and secure them? So Wildlife Trust of India, through its National Corridor Project, identified about 88 odd elephant corridors in the country. And now, along with the state government and the central government, and is now working to see how these all 88 odd elephant corridors are protected. Now, how is it going to help? See, my point is the habitat have got sunk, have got fragmented, and the animals have been propagated into small groups. So the only way of protecting them is if you can provide them a larger habitat, and that's what you do is by joining the larger habitat of forest to the linkages, what we call as corridor. And way back in 2003, with World Land Trust of India, World Land Trust UK, we started this entire initiative of securing the corridors. And the first corridor, I'm really happy to say that the first corridor that we secured in this country was in Karnataka, that connects the Kollegal Forest Division with the BRT sanctuary. And this was way back in 2003-04, where we secured about 25 odd acres of land, and then have handed over to the state forest government. In a country like India, securing land or securing the corridor is not an easy proposition. It involves either securing land by purchasing them, voluntarily looking with people, or even working on the livelihood issues of the people. And all this involves huge money. And I'm happy that World Land Trust, Jamesville, the jewelry houses of the country have all come together to serve this cause. And I'm really thankful to Avaran for hosting this event. And I'm sure with the support of all of you, we can make a difference, not only for the wildlife of the country, but for all of us. Thanks so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Sandeep Tiwari, Head Wildlands Division. Our very important guest today, Mr. Rupak Sen, Director Marketing Asia, Gemfields PLC. Mr. Rupak Sen.
Good evening. I'm here to basically talk about the project. This project was initially initiated last year in London, where if anybody among you was present in London in the summer, they had something called the Elephant Parade, where they had 250 life-size elephants put across the whole city of London, and awareness was created to save the Asian elephant corridors. Gemfields worked with 7 international designers during that period, and we raised close to £700,000 for the whole cause. Since we thought that this whole project is related to India in a large way, we decided to bring this project to India this year, where we've collaborated with 10 large jewelers from all over the country, and Abharan being the one from Bangalore. The basic reason for selecting Abharan was basically threefold. One was, of course, they are one of the better known jewelers from the city of Bangalore. Secondly, is something which is very close to our heart, which is the ethical business practices. I think with Abharan and the Gemfields, we both believe in ethical business practices. And thirdly, because of Abharan's designing and marketing abilities. When you create a piece as stunning as the one, as most of the jewelers have designed, it is very important that it's marketed properly, so that when the final auction happens, you're able to raise substantial amount of money for the cause these pieces have been designed. So I'd personally like to invite all of you to be there in Mumbai on the 14th of October and write as much as you can about it, so that we are able to increase the awareness of the whole project, and we hope more and more people come and bid for the whole project. Thank you so much.
Mr. Rupak Sen, Gemfields. Thank you, sir.